Hi guys, it's Livy the cat, and I need to tell you about something. But first, we need cat whiskers. Gotta put on a nose, and the dots that we don't know why they're there. Why do cats have dots there? Anybody know? If you do, you should tell me. 'Cause I don't know. Meow. Okay, now I am a cat. I think this video can be continued now. So, how about I start? Okay, so I was on Twitter and I got a notification and I was like, okay, what's this? And so I looked at it and it said I had a message. And so I checked my messages and it said Jordan Sweeto. If you don't know who that is, you should type in Dan Sweeto on YouTube. I will link him in the description box because he is amazing and he is one big reason why I'm making YouTube videos. So yeah, you should totally go follow him and like his Facebook page and subscribe him because he's awesome. But anyways, I looked at my messages and I saw on there that he messaged me. I was like, oh my gosh. And so I read it and it was like, hey, so you watch my videos? And so I typed in a message and I was like, oh my gosh. Like my heart like stopped. I was like, whoa, because I like him a lot. So yeah. So I started typing my message and sadly it didn't go because he doesn't follow me. And as you may or may not know, you have to have them follow you before you can reply. So I tweeted to him. I was like, hey Jordan, you should follow me because yeah. If you want to see it, just go to my Twitter. It's at Livy the cat. So you should go to it and follow me. I'll put that in the description box below too. But yeah, I tweeted him and hopefully he's gonna follow me. If he does, I'm definitely gonna tell you guys. I'm like, Jordan Sweeto followed me, and I'll be so happy. And yeah, so I just had to brag for a moment, me and my cat whiskers. But yeah, okay. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to become part of the cat crew, and